Hello friends, welcome to Mini Chutneys. Today I am going to share with you all an interesting recipe or rather you can say a variety recipe. It's a sweet dish. It's nothing but papaya payasam. Yes, many of us like to eat sweets. A sweet dish is a compulsory in every home, but with a fruit is an innovative idea. So I'm going to try it and share with you all the recipe. So if you like my recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. So without wasting time, let's get started with the recipe. So the ingredients for the recipe are ripe papaya. I have taken 4 pieces cut in like this. 1 glass of milk, 2 tablespoons of ghee, dry fruits which include cashews, almonds and raisins, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar and elaichi. My ingredients will serve only 2 persons. You can adjust the quantity of milk and papaya according to the number of persons present. So for this, take a pan and put it to heat. While it is getting heated, we will grate the papaya. Using this, we will grate the papaya gently. The grated papaya has come to approximately 1 cup. For 1 glass of milk, this papaya quantity is sufficient. Now, the pan is heated. We will add 2 tablespoons of ghee. To this, we will add cashew and almonds and fry and roast these dry fruits until they turn golden brown. The color of cashew has already changed. To this, we will be adding raisins and roast again for a few seconds like this. The raisin has started swelling, so we will take all these dry fruits in a plate. To the same pan with this amount of ghee only, we will now roast our grated papaya. And we will roast until the raw smell goes away and it will turn aromatic. It will take hardly 5 to 6 minutes. We have to continuously keep stirring this so that it may not burn. It may not get burned from the bottom. We will roast until it turns aromatic. Meanwhile, the papaya is getting cooked. We will take the glass of milk in a bowl and put it to boil. Now the color of the papaya has changed and you can see the ghee is releasing from the sides. Now it is completely cooked. Switch off the flame. Put aside the grated papaya and let it cool. Boil the milk until the effervescence comes like this. Now at this stage, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. After adding sugar, keep on stirring like this until all the sugar dissolves in the milk. Some people like more sweetness. You can add more amount of sugar if you want. But since the papaya which I am using is already ripe, so some sweetness comes from that. Therefore, I have limited the quantity of sugar. The crystals like this, the crystal must not appear like this. You have to keep on stirring like this until all the sugar dissolves in the milk. It will not take more time. See, already I can't see any crystals in the ladle. So the process is about to complete. Once the sugar is already dissolved in the milk, we will add the crushed elaichi or cardamom. This is the crushed elaichi I am adding to the milk. Now it's time to add the roasted dry fruits, almond, cashew and raisins. Mix once. And the final step is the main ingredient, the papaya, grated papaya, or you can say the roasted grated papaya. Add in small quantities. After adding the grated papaya, the payasam has turned into a beautiful color. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame so that all the flavors of the ingredients, papaya, milk, sugar, elaichi and the dry fruits, so that the flavors must blend together, and like the texture, like the appearance, the taste should also be perfect. So don't cover with a lid, let it cook for another 2 more minutes. Now it is completely done. Switch off the flame and serve hot. So friends, the variety dish papaya payasam is ready. If you like my recipe, do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.